In this guide, we'll show you how to deploy Logmanager in VMware.
We go to
In
action.
vSphere, open Actions, select Deploy OVF Template,
Select
and choose
deploy.
Local File. Select the file you previously downloaded from our website, then click Open.
Name.
Next, name your new server. Review the configuration. You can adjust these settings later if needed. Continue to the license agreement. Select the system hard drive and allocate the required resources. In the next step, choose the network configuration and complete the setup.
Next.
Now, let's modify the hardware settings of the machine.
Setup of virtual machine.
Adjust the number of CPUs and the amount of memory according to the recommended sizing in our online documentation.
We need to do
We also need to add a data disk. Choose Add New Device, then select Hard Disk. Set the storage size based on your planned retention and license. After saving the changes, start the machine.
Okay.
Finally, open the web console and continue the setup from there. Once it boots, we can log in. Use admin as both the username and the password. After deployment, we need to configure the IP address and routing. We are now in the console of our virtual machine. Let's set the IP address, subnet mask, and define VLAN. Next, we delete the old routing settings and then set the new routing information. Last, we can delete the old default IP. We can now open the Logmanager user interface in a web browser using the IP address we have just configured. The default username and password are admin and admin. Congratulations, you are now all set to start sending data into Logmanager.